Conversations with Carissa. This is going to be a mini spring haul, you guys. I bought a few items that I'm going to add to the items I've already put out for the spring, and I wanted to share with you where I got these items from. And then I wanted to give you guys the exciting news that I'm going to be coming to you on Mondays, bringing some inspirational, some motivational tidbits to you, and to get you inspired at the beginning of the week that you can take throughout the week. It's going to be a very brief motivational moment that I wanted to share with you guys. I'm coming to you guys from my heart, from my experiences, and hopefully, you'll be able to get some things out of what I'm going to be sharing with you. Again, we all have our challenges, we all have our struggles, and I just want you to know that you're not by yourself. I have my challenges and struggles as well. So I wanted to come to you guys and motivate you at the beginning of the week so that that you guys can be inspired going forward. So before I get into this mini haul, I want you to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. If you are a subscriber, go ahead and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop another video. So without further ado, I'm going to get into this little mini haul. Okay, so I got this egg from Home Good, and I spent about $12.99 for this egg, and I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but it's an egg that lights up, and it's like a glass-like egg, and it is silver and white. So I may end up keeping this item out throughout the spring and summer. I usually don't switch out as much between spring and summer. I may take a couple of items out, and then I may add some items in or what have you. But usually I don't just really go out and do decorating for the spring and summer. A lot of times I'll just add like some Easter items to my decoration for around this time. Okay, then I got this basket, cute little white basket, and it has spring on it. It's real cute, you guys. And I got this from Home Good as well. And I spent about $14.99 for this basket. And it says spring, so when summer hits, I can just turn it around. I'm planning on putting this in my kitchen, so I can just turn this around, you guys. So that's why I say some of the items that I have, I can keep out for the summer as well. Then I got these little eggs. These were so cute. They are kind of foiled, silver foiled, with, I think this is green and aqua blue and pink eggs that I'm going to add to this basket. And then I probably will add throughout the house as well in little different areas or what have you. And these I got these from Home Good, and they were $12.99. Let me see if you can see it. But it's really cute, you guys. And then I got this little bowl. I think it's a little long oblong bowl that I got from Marshall's. And this bowl was about $9.99. I love it because it's got the two rabbits at the end. And it's silver. I love silver. If you don't already know, I am a silver person, a silver girl. So I'm going to put this probably in the family room or what have you, and I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna put in it, but you'll see it because I'm gonna take you along and show you where I place these items. And then last but not least, and important, carrots. You got to have carrots for Easter. You got to have you some carrots, and you got to have you some eggs and some bunnies for Easter, you guys. So I got these from Michael's, and I spent about, well, I didn't spend $12.99 for them. This is the original price, but they were 40% off. So I'm going to put this somewhere downstairs. I'm not sure where, but you'll see that as well. So I wanted to come to you with a short video on some of the items that I purchased. So until then, I will be seeing you guys soon. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I shall see you in a few minutes when I get ready to put these items out. Okay?